What's good, everybody? My name is Phatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to talk to different scene companies when you're first hitting them up, okay? Because you don't want to seem like you're a bot or like you're doing any copy and paste type stuff. You want to make it personal. You're trying to start a relationship, a connection with these sync library, these music sync companies. That way you can start sending your music to them and getting placements, okay? So when you're starting off, we'll just go through a little template email. All right, so this is new music supervisor at Gmail, whatever their email is. We're just gonna do that, okay? So that's what you would do. You type the email, type the subject. Now the subject is very important to, instead of just saying, for me, like instead of for me just saying Phatty demo submission. Like that's boring. That's not gonna capture anybody's attention. I could say something like dark dystopian drill beats perfect for we'll do dystopian drill beats perfect for dark scenes. Describe your beats. That's gonna get their attention right away, okay? And then when you're typing the email, make sure you use their name. It's very important that you use their name. So when you're looking, this goes back to the first video. You're going to want to do your research. Make sure you know who you're sending the email to. If it's a single person or if you're just sending it to their company email. And if it's a single person, make sure you use their name. Be like, let's say their name's John. Hello, John. And then we'll just go in and introduce ourselves. My name is, see, I start with real names first. It's a little bit more personal. So I'll say, hello, my name is Josh, but I go by Phatty. My name Josh. I didn't mean to say it like that. My name is Josh, but I go by Phatty. I mean, maybe say I've been kind of give a little backstory on you. And then you could say, say, I want to submit my most recent. It doesn't have to be too deep or too long. Just keep it short and simple and make it more personal. I want to submit my most recent drill beat tape. I think it would work perfectly for dark scenes. I have included the metadata as well. All right, and then this is where you would link your tracks. Most of the time when you're sending an email, you want to link it on SoundCloud, some kind of streaming service, but since SoundCloud's free for everybody to listen to on it, they don't need to get an account to listen. You should just do SoundCloud. So make a little playlist on SoundCloud of the tracks you're trying to send, or of a little demo of who you are as a producer. Send those tracks, and then if they like it, you can send them an album, or you can start talking to them more about it. But if you notice here, I said I have included the metadata as well. That should be one word. That's going to be the next video. We're going to talk about metadata, which is actually really important with sync. But pretty much for this, you would just throw in the link to the playlist, and then you would also include your spreadsheet for your metadata, which we'll talk about in the next video. But yeah, once you have something like this, just something very simple, you would just hit send. Copy the same thing to the same people, unless just try to make it more personal. And if there's something on their website you liked, maybe mention that or something. They might like that as well. But just be straight to the point. Don't sound like a bot, just sound like a human. That's a big thing. That's pretty much it, though. We're going to talk about metadata in the next video. So if this one brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.